In this video, we are going to talk about integration of Z Identity with Microsoft Entra ID using OpenID Connect. That is the newer authentication protocol that we have within Z Identity. And then we'll also be enabling SCIM integration between Microsoft Entra ID and Z Identity. The first thing that we have to do here is to navigate to the Entra ID and then to the Enterprise applications. Click New Application and search for Zscaler. You will view the application Zscaler. Enter a name for this application. For example, Zscaler, OIDC, Auth, PM, Beta. Let's wait for the application creation to be finished. Now that it is finished, click Single Sign-On, and next click Go to Application. We land on the overview page of the application that we have created. Next, we need to copy the client ELID and save it on Notepad for further use. Then we need to have a client secret. Create a new secret. Name it as Zscaler. Copy the client secret value and save it for further use. This value will not be available for long. Therefore, ensure to copy it the moment you create it. Next, come back by clicking on the Overview section and click Endpoints. Copy the OpenID Connect metadata document URL and save it. Next, navigate to Z Identity Admin Portal and start creating an IDP. In this video, we are creating a secondary IDP as an example. Enter a suitable name. Select the identity vendor as Microsoft Entra ID. Select the domain and select OIDC as the protocol. Enable the status. Choose preferred _username for the login attribute. Next, in the metadata URL, paste the metadata URL that you had copied from the Entra ID portal. Click Fetch. Now you can view that all the configurations are now fetched. In the Client ID field, paste the client ID that you saved earlier. Similarly, paste the value in the Client Secret field. In the Requested Scopes field, add email and profile. Next, copy the redirect URL and save it for later use. Click Save. Now, in the Provisioning tab, we are enabling just-in-time provisioning as an example. Next, map user attributes that are being passed on from the Entra ID portal. In this video, we have mapped group attribute as an example. Click Save. Please note that we have not enabled SCIM yet. We'll come to that in a later stage. Next, navigate back to the Entra ID portal and click Add a redirect URL. Click Platform. Click Web. Paste the redirect URL you copied earlier from the Z Identity portal and click Configure. Next, click Token Configuration to add the claims. Since we have added the group claim on the Z Identity portal, select the groups assigned to the application option. Next, select Group ID for the ID, Access, and the SAML dropdowns. Click Add. You can add other optional attributes as well. Let's add few other group claims that are preferred _username and email. Now that we have added group claims, navigate to API Permissions and click Grant Admin Consent for Proxy in the Cloud to grant the API permissions. Now, navigate to the Manifest option and edit the required fields. Here, we will search for Accept Mapped Claims attribute and set its value to True. We need to search for one more attribute named Requested Access Token Version and set its value to 2. Click Save. Now you have integrated MS Entra ID with Z Identity using OIDC protocol.